Well, we are working on an axe right now, and you guys might be wondering what the heck you're doing down there. Well, there's a reason that you're down there. We're going to talk about wood shavings. We're going to talk about after you have done your work or during your work, but it's another aspect of the work. We're going to talk about hand tools. We're going to talk about electric tools, mechanical tools. We're going to get into this. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, that's fine. I'm not doing anything important. But we're going to get into dust and dust collection and how to collect it and how to save your lungs and how to do stuff on a budget, because not everybody can spend a lot of money on protecting themselves, but there's things you can spend money on to protect yourself, and it's worth doing. Take it from somebody who's coming up on a 40-year career in carpentry and cabinetry and now axe hafting. I have machines that can make dust faster than some of my machines can keep up. So I was forced to buy a big system. So we're gonna go through all of that. But right now we're just working with some spoke shaves, and I don't really need any protection because I'm making curls. And that's part of the reason that I like hand tools, is because you don't need a lot of fancy protection. It's such a low-tech, slow pace that, the gravity is just letting these wood shavings fall. So this is going to be a series, and I'm looking forward to doing it. Johnny Arnett and I are putting our heads together on this because he had an experience, pretty bad experience, and we are collaborating on basically, if one person does something good and saves their lungs out, then it's worth it to us. So stay tuned for look at that baby, that's prototype 4. Stay tuned for some hopefully helpful stuff coming down the road.